In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a bug in Jira and navigate the Jira bug status workflow. If you've ever faced a pesky bug but weren't quite sure how to document it properly, this tutorial is just for you. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can efficiently log bugs and track them through the various stages in Jira. To begin, let's first log into your Jira instance. You want to make sure you're in the right place by navigating to the specific project where the bug was found. This will lay the groundwork for proper documentation and follow-up activities. Next, look for the Create button. This button usually features a plus sign or something similar. Clicking on this button is your gateway to initiating a new issue in Jira. You will be presented with a list of available issue types, and our focus today is on bug. Select this option to proceed. Once you've chosen bug, it's time to fill in the details. A crucial part of this process is crafting a summary. Think of this as the headline of a news article. It needs to be concise yet descriptive enough to convey the essence of the issue. After the summary, delve into the description. Here, you should explain the bug with as much detail as possible. Include step-by-step instructions to reproduce it, note the expected behavior versus what's actually happening, and provide any other relevant context that might help a developer understand the issue better. Now it's time to assign a priority level to the bug. This will help your team assess the urgency and allocate resources accordingly. Is it a critical problem that needs immediate attention, or is it a minor glitch that can be addressed later? Your judgment here will guide the team's prioritization process. Next, you need to assign the bug to an appropriate developer or team. Consider who has the expertise or responsibility to address this issue. Clear assignment helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures accountability. Don't forget to attach any relevant files such as screenshots, logs, or additional documents that could assist in the debugging process. Visual aids and data logs can be invaluable for diagnosing and fixing the issue efficiently. Once all the necessary details are filled out, you can create the bug issue by clicking Create or Submit. This officially logs the bug into the system and sets the wheels in motion for tracking and resolution. After your bug is created, it enters the Jira bug status workflow. This workflow typically starts with the status to do. As work progresses, team members will transition the bug through stages like in progress, in review, fixed and ultimately closed. Each transition represents an action or a decision taken by the team. It's worth noting that while Jira comes with a default workflow, administrators can customize it to better fit the needs of your project or team. Such customization can streamline processes and ensure that the workflow aligns optimally with how your team operates. Remember, understanding transitions is key. A bug might start off as to do, move to in progress when someone begins working on it, transition to in review when it's ready for inspection, and finally land in fixed or closed once it's resolved. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to log bugs efficiently in Jira and help your team manage each bug's journey through its lifecycle.